What's up guys? So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a room tour. So recently I moved back home with my parents to save more money in order to buy a house in a couple years. So that's why my setup is a little bit different right now. But yeah, if you guys want to see what my room looks like, then just keep watching. Oh, also, I redid my room a couple years ago. I will link the videos down below because I vlogged it if you guys want to see what my room looked like before versus what it looks like now. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so this is what my room looks like from the doorway. So when you first walk in, I'm gonna just start on this side. I just have my garbage, which isn't very interesting. I have a closet here that I don't use because it's so like filled up to the brim with stuff that I can't even use it. Down below I just have my slippers, so this is where obviously I would put my white ones. The ones next to it are the Pygmy Puffs from Harry Potter. Got that from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter last winter. And then I just have some more slippers by Victoria's Secret. This is my Bath & Body Works collection. If you guys want a video like solely dedicated to that, I can totally film it for you guys. Just let me know down in the comments. Laundry, which is probably not that interesting. And then I just have DeLuca's litter. Just above here, I just have this swinging Harry Potter thing. Honestly, this was, I don't even know where it's from. It says Hallmark, but this was from like years ago. So this used to be my sister's, and when she was clearing out her room, she gave it to me. And I love it. This photo is, or not photo, this painting is just from a garage sale. I painted this in one of my old summer like room DIY videos a couple years ago. And then just below, I just have this lightning bolt. It was super cheap. It was only like $12 and I got it off of Amazon. And then this is my bed and my beautiful cat. Just look how perfect he is. Oh my god. You're so cute. Look at that face. Oh my god. I've never been so in love with an animal. Oh my god. He's so perfect. If you don't like cats, you're probably hating me right now. Oh my god, he's so cute. Anyways, so my bed is my sister's old bed. I don't actually know where it's from, but it's just like the back is just plain black wiring. The photo is from Christmas a couple years ago for my dad. It's called Bonnie and Clyde and it's just two zebras. I thought it was super, super cute. It kind of like matches the theme of my room. These three pillows were from my mom. I don't remember where she got them from. I probably mentioned them in an old video. Then I just have a white body pillow, my normal pillows that I sleep on. And then this bedding is actually just from IKEA. I love it. Bailey keeps saying how he doesn't like it and he thinks it's kind of young. And then my sister said it actually looks really, really old. But I think it is really cute and I think it's perfect for the spring. And then this blanket is just from a Mark's Work Warehouse. I just got it around Christmas time and DeLuca loves to sleep on it, obviously. He's sleeping on it right now. And then just next to my bed, I just have my window and my side table. So this is from IKEA. The two little egg things, they light up at night. And they're just from the dollar store, I think. So these are just some of my favorite candles and lotions that I like to have just right next to my bed. So I just have the Comfort Vanilla Patchouli lotion from Bath & Body Works, as well as the Winter Candy Apple and the Twisted Peppermint. And then as for candles, some of my favorites are Winter Candy Apple, Campfire Donut, Alpine Cheer, Winter, and Mahogany Teakwood. And then this is just a little elephant where you can put wax and a little tea light under and it will burn for you. My friend Melissa got it for me and it's really, really cute. I like it. Also, excuse all the flies. Doesn't matter how many times I vacuum them up, they just find a way to come back. And then these are just from IKEA. They really don't do much, but I thought they were kind of cute and fit the theme of my room, so I bought them. Right next to that, I just have my bag for placement, Bailey's computer that I'm using, and then his computer case. And then this lamp, I'm not actually sure where my mom got it from, but she picked it up for me just because my other one broke. And then that is my sister's tripod that I'm using right now. Next to that is just my vanity. So I've done a whole video dedicated to it on my channel. So if I remember, again, I will link that down below. I actually keep DeLuca's food up here for him to eat because, again, he sleeps in my room at night and he's on a different feeding schedule than my like family animals are. They eat like morning and night, and then I let DeLuca eat all day. He's pretty good at it. He doesn't eat too much, so I don't know, it just works for him. So I like to keep it separated from everybody and it's up here so that the dogs can't get it. Next to that, I just have the salt lamp from Showcase, and then I just have a little fish dish. I don't remember where I got it from. It's just like a really small store by my house, and then I just have my jewelry in it. And then I just have a DeLuca's treat jar and a journal that I rarely use, but I need to start using it more. And my mirror. So this one, again, is just from IKEA. These lights are from the dollar store, I think. They're actually really cute and they're just battery operated, so I can just tuck it behind my mirror. And then I just have some Polaroids that I took in the wintertime. Down below, I just have this little bunny that my sister picked up for me. I'm not sure where she got it from. And then I just have my little bunny urn. I don't know if that's weird to have on my desk, but I like to have him close to me, so he's there. Oh, now he wants a treat. I just have this chair from IKEA. It's super dirty, but there's literally no way of keeping it clean. I've washed it so many times and my makeup is still somehow on it. Next to my mirror, I just have some Q-tips, my everyday makeup, some brushes, my mirror, and just extra sponges. Okay, down below, this is DeLuca's corner. So he has this little house that he doesn't use, but it's cute, so I keep it. And then those are all of his toys. And then this mirror is from Yisk. I think that's how you say it. My aunt got it for me for Christmas, and I think it is super cute. I think it just looks really old and vintage, and I really like it. And then finally, I just have my dresser. So this again is from IKEA. I've showed it in all of my other room tour videos. This TV, it's my sister's boyfriend, but he lets me use it because he's awesome. I have some ball caps. This one is just from Monsters University when I was in Disney. And then I have a Blue Jays hat because I'm a poser like that. And then finally, just on my actual dresser, I just have Bailey's PlayStation so we can watch Netflix, and an avocado coconut candle from Bath & Body Works. So really quick, this is just another overview of my room. It's nothing fancy, but I really like it. I think it's super cute. And I do normally have a fan right here. I just moved it for the purpose of this video because it's an eyesore. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe down below. That way you never miss my face in your subscription box. And yeah, so if you guys have any requests for spring/summer videos, just leave them down below. I'd love to check them out because I want to film things that you guys like, obviously. But yeah, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.